Shelly Hopkins. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. What is that? It is the new ebook by David Sharp. It's awesome. And guess how much it is? It's $1.99. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? No, but I'm serious. I'm telling you the truth. It's $1.99. You know what else? You're not going to get this. You're not going to believe this. But you get, like, a tons of stuff if you get this book. This is $1.99. Really? You still don't believe me? Okay. Hold on. Let me show you. Hey, Shelly here. Okay, we're going to talk about the new ebook that David Sharp wrote, The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. How to grow a successful online business without the massive overwhelm of creating products, hiring, or doing customer support. Sound good? Sounds good to me. Don't know about you. Okay, I'm Shelly. Welcome to my channel. If you're into online marketing, affiliate marketing, passive income, stuff like that, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you always get notified if I have a new video. If you get anything out of this particular video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you know anyone else that would like it, do me a favor and share it to them as well. Okay, let's get started. The Insider's Guide to Affiliate Marketing. I wanted to do this video, well, because this book is pretty awesome and I wanted to share it with you. I am an affiliate, so I'm going to let you know up front, if you buy this book, I'm going to get 70 cents, okay? I'm just going to let you know that right now. I'm going to be rich, okay? So, I'm not just telling you this to tell you. It's cool. It has a lot of stuff that is awesome. And if you get this book, which is $1.99, it's just $1.99. I'm not waiting to the end of the video to show you or tell you or anything like that. But it's $1.99. That's not very bad, right? Right. Okay. This thing is pretty cool. We'll start with the book and then what you get just from buying the book. Here's the book. It has 12 chapters, 85 pages, which is a lot for an ebook. And it's packed with a bunch of good stuff. It's like he didn't put in a bunch of fillers and stupid crap like that. It actually has a whole bunch of stuff in it. And I wrote down my favorite stuff. You do a video, you should be prepared. Here it is. Okay. Like, my preacher gives examples so I can relate. And it's easy to remember. He gives an example about an Uber, how, you know, with that company and everything. So I think that's cool. So he gives you something to refer to. And let me tell you too, he probably makes it really easy and understand because the main reason he wrote it was for his kids. So if something, you know, was to happen to him, he would want them, he wanted to write something so that they would have that they could do, which it starts off, you know, if I was to start all over, what would I do? And he says, I would do affiliate marketing. And he tells why. So he wrote it for his kids so they can understand it. So we should be able to understand it, which I do. I love it. Anyways, okay. He talks about the best products to promote. And, you know, a lot of people don't share that kind of stuff or how to do it. He talks about traffic and organic traffic, evergreen traffic. You know, evergreen traffic's like a YouTube video, like this video. I could put this video, you know, out on YouTube and it's going to stay there forever. It's going to be evergreen. He talks about more into people's like, you know, you got to have your niche. But he tells why and profitable more into your niche, which is really cool. He talks about leads. Everybody needs to know more about leads. He talks about rules to follow and what you should and should not do. He talks about how to connect. I really liked that part. And I put what you should and should not do. And those are my personal favorite things. There's two brothers that has a company that I listen to, and their favorite parts was completely different from my favorite parts. So if you were to read the book, your favorite stuff could be completely different too. But that has to tell you how packed full of stuff that this is. That it's really that good, right? And when you get the $1.99 ebook, which is worth so much more than $1.99. Okay, so much more. Believe it or not, there's bonuses. You get a 15-day business builder challenge, which is what this is. And it used to sell for like around $7, and then you get some more bonuses that you still get with the book. But now you just have to pay the $1.99 for the book, and you get the Legendary Marketer blah blah blah. I'm used to saying 7 because it was $7. 15-day business builder challenge for really $1.99 because you get it as a bonus with the ebook. And when you got this, you got a free coach. Well, you get the free coach with the book too. Isn't that cool? Right? I think that's cool. Totally cool. You get, and a lot of people think that they're to sell you because, Legendary Marketer has a bunch more stuff, but they don't. I'm still friends with the guy that I talked to. He was amazing, and he was so kind, answered all of my questions, and some of them was really stupid. So you actually get to be on the phone with someone. Isn't that like unheard of these days? So you get a free coach to hold your hand. You get this 15-day business builder challenge, which it walks you through how to set up your business. It has a business plan, how to do your business plan. I had never heard of that before, and I didn't have it. I had one now, but I didn't have it before I did this challenge. In the challenge, there's a guy named Matt, and he teaches some cool stuff. Again, a lot of people have different favorites. I love Matt. And, each day, he doesn't want you just to go boom, boom, boom. So each day, you do your stuff, and you hit the check mark, and they will unlock the next one. So you finish what you need to do for that day, and you don't rush through everything. Again, any questions you have, your coach is there for you. Isn't that cool? It's pretty cool. So that is a second bonus. You get the private community. So we're all on a Facebook group, and everybody's active. It's really awesome. Everybody helps everybody. It's one of my favorite groups. And then there's free tested ads. They give you several of those. You get email and video scripts that you can implement to help you in your marketing. And I said email and video, and I think there's phone scripts too, just like if you wanted to call somebody. And they're really good. They're like some of the best I've ever seen, to be honest with you, because I've seen some that's really, really horrible. And when I was first learning, I bought some that wasn't as good as these that you get as a bonus. Pretty cool, right? And again, all of this is just with a $1.99 ebook, which is really amazing. But if by some chance that you do this and you like it, and say if you like affiliate marketing and you want to be an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, if you become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, or you do any of their plans that's from $20 up, so you'll pay like $20 a month, but anyways, you can look into those plans. They're really cool. Then you get, I think it's like, I know for sure it's over like $3,000 of bonuses from me just by doing that. So if by some chance that you end up doing anything like that, then you can contact me down below. I have how you can contact me: Facebook, Instagram, email, everywhere. Then just reach out to me and let me know that. But I would definitely, if you are into any kind of online marketing, affiliate marketing, or you have your own business, there's a lot of stuff in here that you just need to learn, that just the challenge and the book has, that's really, really good. So I suggest that you get it. Again, I make 70 cents off of it. Who cares? I really think you should get the book. Okay, if you got anything out of this, do me a favor, subscribe, or give me a thumbs up. I'm holding my thumb. Thumbs up! And I will see you on the next video.